Had a slight mishap, my fault. Gonna try to follow up our last little bit to the boat ramp, which is like right up here. I made a hard turn and knocked over the camera, and it just about went in. So now right in through here, there's some heavy duty. The bank's a lot higher up here, like off to the right. Where's the so the boat ramp should be right there, and I can see the trailer from here, so at least the trailer's still here, and there'd be the boat ramp, and there'd be me and Duggar. So let me get to the boat ramp, and then the other kayak's still there, so that's good. But this, right over here to the right, that is pretty much an island right there. Right, especially right now. When the water gets down lower, there's some muddy choices to get, you know, get onto it. But it's pretty much, that's it. So, Duggar, we're almost here. We're back. We're back. Duggar, he done real good, so let me tell you. I might have should have. No, that's pretty good. Okay, so there's the truck up there on the hill, which it ain't that far right there. But we fixed and go retrieve it, and so you can see that somewhere behind me there is the moon up there in the trees, and the lake river behind us. And me, there's Duggar sitting down here, but you've been looking at him this whole time. So I just want to say it's been a really lovely trip, and good to share it to you, and I hope I get this up on YouTube. And y'all who watch this, y'all know I love you, so be safe, okay? Until later, this is Hawkeye Two Feathers saying, the maiden voyage with Duggar, the swamp donkey. Swamp donkey. Hey, swamp donkey. Duggar. Swamp donkey. Hey, there you are, swamp donkey. All right, so we're going to get out of here. All right, talk to y'all later, and be safe. And this is the big Ochlocknee River near Thomasville. Hawkeye Two Feathers and Duggar Two Feathers. Duggar, swamp donkey. Hey, we're out of here.